Hi, welcome to Jackie Burns Creation. This week I'm doing the Heidi Sonboul DIY Challenge. She holds it every second Friday of the month and invites everyone. She's very encouraging to new crafters, let alone longtime crafters. She's helped a lot of people and she's a nice lady. And she is one of the premier crafters of the YouTube world, so if you have not heard of her, which I can't imagine you haven't, you need to go check her out and see what she creates, because she takes my breath away. She'll do like 10 ornaments in one video, and I'm just like, oh, okay, I do one. So really check her out. She's great. So last year, I had this idea that I wanted to do these corner swags, because these doors that go out to my deck, every time you open them up, the garland would catch on the door. So anyway, I looked, all the craft stores everywhere for square wreath. I could not find one anywhere except on Amazon. And I knew they made them because I'd seen them in the past. But anyway, so I checked on Amazon, and they were like about $12 or $15 a piece, something like that. They were pretty expensive. So to my surprise, this spring, guess who had square wreaths? Yes, you guessed it, Dollar Tree. So I bought a few and thought, oh, I'm gonna finally do my idea. And then I saw somebody else do it too. Oh well. Anyway, so this is for me. A lot of times I do things just for the channel, but this one's for me. And I took both of the forms. Well, I cut them with some wire cutters, and they were kind of a bugger to cut. So be careful, because a few of the rungs came apart. Anyway, so I cut them apart, opposite corners. And what I'm doing to one, I'm doing to the other one. I wrap them both in the burlap that you get from the Dollar Tree. In fact, almost everything came from Dollar Tree, except a few picks, I think, came from Walmart, and one of the ribbons. So anyway, I'm putting on some eucalyptus. I'm sure I didn't get that at Dollar Tree. And some berries. Like I said, what I do to one, I have to do the other, but just opposite. So enjoy the music while you're watching me put this together. Oh, you can see I did get the one together. And if my hands go crazy once in a while and fly up in the air like I just don't care, I'm not really crazy. Well, maybe I kind of sort of am. Not, yes, no. And there I go, waving my hands. It's the glue strings. They were really driving me crazy. So I figured out if I just kind of wound my hand up, then I can get hold of them. I'm just thinking, come on guys, come on, let's go. Yeah, okay, they're both done. Now we do the ribbon. That red plaid ribbon is really nice. It's nice and thick and really nice. And the black plaid, not so much. It's a very, very thin material, and it just doesn't hold the shape very well. It's one of those misses for Dollar Tree. It looks nice, but no. Because you can see as I'm messing with it how it just kind of curls up on the edges, and it's a good thing it's got the wire in it because it sure wouldn't hold up very well. So I'm cutting all 3 colors the same length. That red one, that burgundy color one, it was popular this year. They got snatched up real fast. I only ever found the one. And this ribbon, it came from Ross. It was only like $3 for a great big roll. I think it's quite pretty. See how it's just kind of misshapen? Has no body to it. Okay, so I'm folding them over on each other. And I'm taking a little snip in each side. Some people like to take a little V out. I think a snip is good enough. Just a little one. This is called the florist bow, but some people call it the Olivia bow for Olivia Romantic Homes, because she uses it all the time. So you scrunch the middle. You put the chenille stem on it and tighten it up. And then you separate the loops and fluff, fluff, fluff. Sometimes I think I fluff too much. Oh, I want it to look just right. And I'm going to take each end and give it a dovetail to make it look nicer. I pull them in opposite directions. What I did on this one was I put the tail ends all the same way, where I should have put one in the opposite way. I did that on the next bow. Okay already. Enough with the fluffing. Put the darn bow on the wreath. Okay, there it goes. And at times you're finally talking to the screen and she's listening. I think I wanted the other bows the loops to show up, not as much the black one. But it still looks nice. Okay, now for the ornaments. These are Dollar Tree ornaments. Okay, taking the little top off. And I'm grabbing my wire cutters. There they are. And I'm going to just kind of score it around the edge a little bit. And it comes right off. And it's in place. Yay! Okay, now for the other one. Now watch this. I found a little pick and I found a place for it to go. And I'm going to pick this thing up to show you what it looks like. And guess where I stick my thumb? Right on the hot pick. All the places to stick my thumb, and I stick it right on the hot pick. Yes. Okay. Now, here's what it looks like in place, and I'll be able to put like a swag right in the middle. And I do appreciate every one of you and trying to grow my subscriptions, trying to get to that 1,000 by the end of the year. And I so appreciate every one of you. And I will talk to you later. Bye.